Hi, my name is Bobby Walker, and we have a product that's made in America that helps the environment and the air quality, and is produced and packaged by disabled Americans. It'll create jobs for the economy and be a very helpful thing. Now, have you ever tried to put a quart of oil in your car and spilled some on the ground, spilled it on the manifold, created smoke, messing up the air quality, seeping into the groundwater and producing toxic effects? Well, I have a solution. I hope you like it as much as we do. You get your quart of oil you're going to put in your car, take off the cap, and my invention, the no spill oil cap. It's just a cap that screws on to the top of your oil can, and you get your car and you take the can and you invert it, take the time, whatever it takes to get it inserted into the hole, squeeze the cap, it pops open and the oil runs out into your car. Now, my son-in-law and I worked on this product together. He is a design engineer from Texas A&M, and he's great in AutoCAD, and he helped produce a lot of the drawings so we could produce the product you just saw, which was a printed product. We want to injection mold this and take it to production. Now, my background is I'm a design engineer. I've worked with several companies, Signetics, Cirrus Logic, Interface Corporation. The last two we took public. I was field application engineer at the first two, and I was vice president of sales and marketing at the last. So I have a little concept of how to get this stuff to market, and this was not very much of an electrical engineering design. It was just born out of necessity of me putting oil in my car and always spilling a little. And I just got tired of doing it, and when you're on the road and you don't have a funnel, then you have a problem. And what we're proposing is we'll be shipping this product in a small plastic container. This is what the disabled guys build and produce. They actually put products in these, and they'll ship in bulk. This is a printed device. And then when you finish with your oil change, you're putting a quart of oil in your car, you can put the cap back in here and stick it in your glove box, and it won't make a mess, and it'll be with you all the time, so when you need it again, it's right there. Now, we'll be, like I said, producing this with disabled veterans, and they'll be disabled Americans, and they'll be installing the caps that are produced across the street from them at Hauser Plastics. And I hope you're interested in helping us fund this thing. Now, we're asking for $49,000. The first part is to build the tool. It's going to cost us $25,000 to build the tool, and then another $10,000 to build the first 50,000 parts, of which will be rewards that will be sent to you, 10 caps. And after that, we'll use the rest of the money for delivering parts to parts, automobile parts houses that are going to take this and put us on the approved vendor list is the hope. And so we'll be using them for sales purposes, and then maybe a few small orders before we actually get to production. So please help us fund this. Remember, it's made in the USA. Go America. Let's get something like this going. Thank you.